Hey, P2100, sending this message out to you, hoping everybody is well. That just wanted to let you know I'm thinking about you and your families and friends first during this difficult time for many of us. I know it comes with a lot of challenges, each of us navigating this adversity in our own way. So first off, just know that through the remainder of the course, if you need help, support, reach out anytime, and I'll do my best to help support you. Um, I think if there is a silver lining for us, at least in this course, we have an online course as it is. So really, on your end, hopefully that hasn't come with too much modifications. From my end, I've taken some assignments off the table here, and really the goal of this video is to kind of update you on what has changed and what is yet to come. So I think the first thing that you're going to notice here moving forward is really there's only two assignments left on the table for us. Our week 10 has been eliminated, and I've uploaded a new assignment for us, which is week 11, and this is a social science course connected through physical activity and sport. As I was kind of reflecting and thinking of what I might do to change this course and make it meaningful, I just thought to myself, why not engage in conversation of what we're all dealing with right now, which is this pandemic, and it's connected with the sporting world, and really that's what I'm asking you to do here this first week. So it's a discussion board. If I'm being honest, it's not the most academic of nature, but again, I want to connect with you all as people first. So this discussion board, really what I want us to focus on is how has this pandemic affected you personally in the world of physical activity and sport. Um, Unlike maybe some of our other discussion boards, what I'd like for you to do this time is to share how this has impacted you personally. In most of our discussion boards, we all feel that, or maybe not feel, you all mostly communicate through text. Well, I'm going to challenge you this week, if you have the capability and you're willing to do it, um, perhaps make a video of yourself and use that as your post. If you want to use text, you can still do that, but I've got us started here, and you'll see here on my post, instead of just writing a paragraph of information, there's a video of myself talking about how it's impacted me, my life, my family, and really what I'd like you to do is tell your own story. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back like we always do in a discussion board, and we're going to respond to our peers. So I'd be excited to see some of your faces, and that's our first module. From there, I'm not really even going to talk about it right now because it's not within our calendar as we speak today. But the last thing left on the table is our final project, and ultimately that's gone left untouched. That assignment's going to stay intact and as it is. So we'll circle back to that another time, and you'll get more information. So best wishes to you all, and I'm excited to see you and hear from you this week.